Really, Evan? Did that just happen? I retract my statement about Mike being a better wheelier. Dude, Ev is absolutely wildin'. Dude, so sick, so good. You're just getting better and better. You like fine wine, Ev.
Thank you, bro. Dude, I actually get more arm pump from like 5 minutes of wheelies than I do like 5 laps on the moto track. So for all the haters who say wheelies are so easy.
Does anyone say that wheelies are so easy?
I mean the moto guys, you know, they kind of hate sometimes.
It's usually the ones who can't wheelie that hate.